So I turned on my 2021 Bronco Sport today and I get this message that the key battery low replace soon. That's talking about your key fob. So it's just a matter of just replacing the battery in the key fob. And it's a CR2450 in case you're wondering. So if you get in your car and let's say I don't have a battery to replace in my key fob, what am I gonna do? You can still start your vehicle. You know, you can get in using the app, the Ford Pass app, to unlock the door, and I can show you where, you know, you can get the key to unlock the door as well. But let's say you're in the car. If you lift up this pad right here, you can see there's a little tab, and you just lift up on this. Not easy since I don't have fingernails. But when you pull it out, this little spot right here is where you would place your key fob, and it would be able to read it, and you'd be able to start your car. So in case you're wondering, that's what it is. That's what you would do in case, hey, I don't have a battery to stick in here. How am I going to drive? Just put your key right there. Car will recognize you can start and go. So right here is where you would put the key. So, well, what key? I've just got a fob. Well, if you press the button right here, you lift up, and there's your key. And you would just put it right in there to lock and unlock your car. So that will get you in, just so you know. So for your keys, you'll need to get a 2450 battery for your fob. And it goes in there. I already had an extra one because I had one from my Ford Mustang that I had to replace. So just so you know, that's all you need. And you'll need your little key out to be able to open it up. And right there is where you'll end up putting the key to pop the lid on that. So let me show you. So once you have the key out, just put it right here and just do a little twist and it pops open, as you can see right there. And then once you get it, it'll come off. And there's the 2450. And I have just a little screwdriver to be able to pop that out, and I'll put the new one in. So what you do is there's like a little hole right there, as you can see. And I just use that thing just popped right out. Very easy. Get the new one, put it in, and there it goes. Then take your top, snap it back on, and slide the key. I can get it in. Right back in. And there you go. And we'll go out and test it and see if I get that message. Alrighty, so now I'm in the car. I'm gonna start it up. There we go. I do like the startup screens, are pretty cool. All right, and as you can see, I am not getting any message about low battery. So key fob issue is fixed. So hopefully this will help you out in case you ever run into that. It's a quick, easy fix. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Y'all have a blessed day and take care.